Hi, my name is Kristen O'Neill, and I am a supervisor for English Language Arts and Reading at the elementary level. And I'm here today to talk to you about reading routines. Oftentimes, parents will say to me, "What can I do to support my child with reading at home?" And if there's anything at all that you can do, this is the most important thing. Make reading important at home. Make it a routine in your household. Just like brushing your teeth or taking a shower, students should be reading for enjoyment regularly. When you learn how to ride a bike, you get on, you fall off, you struggle, you practice. The more you do it, the better you get at it. It's the same exact thing with reading. The more you practice reading, even if it's hard, even if it's frustrating, even if you struggle, the better and better you will get. In the classroom, we work on all the explicit phonics skills. We teach the sounds and the letters and how to tap and blend words. But the children need time to practice those skills, and that's where you come in. So make it a habit, make it a routine, and whatever it is that works for your family, whether it's every night before bed for 15 minutes, whether it's when they come home from school, they're going to drop everything and read for 15 minutes, or whether it's we're coming home from baseball practice, or we're coming home from dance practice, and you're going to read in the car. Whatever works for your family to make reading important and to make it happen on a daily basis. Another question we get sometimes is, how can I find things that my child might be interested in reading? And that is a big question, and there are a lot of resources that we have to offer. So in some of our upcoming videos, I want you to tune back in because we're going to go through a lot of different resources that you have at your fingertips that you can use to help your child find something they enjoy reading. Thanks for tuning in, and start making reading a routine in your home.